My OBS doesn't remember any settings. It's not just the news camera. So I'm actually just a little drowsy because, I didn't really eat that much food today so far. I'm like just so drowsy. Also, I was supposed to do something here on Pancake Swap. I happen to forget what it actually was. Alright, so I just need to say that I went live. So I actually spent most of my morning today actually doing something a little different. Like I spent like a few hours trying to re-optimize all my videos and stuff. So I don't know if it'll work or anything. Get shareable link. Yes, I need the shareable link. I don't know. Seeing what's happening with the Bitcoin and crypto dump or pump today. We'll do that. Yeah. Okay, so I'll put that out there. Again. Yeah, I'm just so like sleepy. Oh, that's okay. Alright. Alright, so what we got? Because I also was doing some coding today too. I'm actually working on a tooltip. Thankfully, it looks actually pretty easy to do. So I just need to, figure out, what it looks like. Alright, so I fired that off. I mean, I'm not even paying attention to like the Kyle Rittenhouse shit, so I don't even know if he's free or guilty or whatever. So I could look at that real quick. So yeah, I think I know what it was. I think I was gonna make like a special video just so I could run Google Ads on it, just so I could try to grow the channel, but I think for now I'll try the SEO route. Alright, so Dog on Mars is finally, stopped, jerking off, so. Alright, let's see. Rittenhouse lawyers ask judge to declare mistrial over a video. I don't even know what that. Mistrial. Okay. I wonder what. I know technically that's a good thing for the defense or for Kyle Rittenhouse, but I don't actually know what is a mistrial. What is a mistrial? Okay. What if there's a hung jury? It could be a hung jury too. I bet everyone's searching what this is. It says halted and declared invalid, usually before a verdict is delivered. Mistrials may occur for a variety of reasons. For example, hung jury will not be able to resolve its through for delivering declared mistrial. Hung juries are only one of possible reasons. Misconduct, comments made in front of the jury that would make it unfair to continue with the trial of the same jury. Well, in other words, my trials only do hung, there's a mistrial. However, not all trials result from a hung jury. Oh, okay. So basically, they just have to make a new trial. Because I know, statistically speaking, I forgot where I got this, but this was from a long time ago. It might have actually been Mike Cernovich who might have talked. No, it was probably someone else. But basically, if you have a mistrial, then you have to go again, right? You have to have another trial. Usually when that happens, the defense actually has statistically is actually much more likely to succeed. Because I think the way it works is everybody shows their hands, but if everyone knows what each other is going to say or do, then that favors the defense because they can counter that. Because I think the defense always gets to go last. So, So unlike turn-based games where the person who goes first almost always wins, it's the guy who actually goes last that almost always wins. Blah, blah. Well, yeah, I mean, I know what happens in a hung jury, so. And of course, this is. A mistrial motion is still pending, yes. Yeah, I'm not surprised because the Black Lives Matter people are intimidating them. This might be worth looking into. Maybe. Looks like actually. How do I click this? I guess I'll just copy. I can't even copy the link, man. Alright, let's see. What is this? Chances are I'm probably not going to really be too interested in whatever this is, but super alloy materials. Isn't this like a stock? Oh, this is like a, I forgot what they call it. I guess, I wouldn't say it's close to a penny stock, but it's obviously worth more than a penny. I don't know, I mean, I could just plug this into Trader's Choice and take a look. I mean, I'm not going to buy this because I don't actually do penny stocks. I'm pretty much done with stocks because, shit, what was the thing for this? Stock symbol, NB? Let me keep this open so I make sure I get the right stock. I'm pretty much done with stocks because like I just lost so much fucking money in that stupid shit. I just want Riot blockchain to like go up, like skyrocket when Bitcoin finally skyrockets. Pull my cash out of the stupid options and then just sell options all day in the stupid market. Neo Corp. Well, these have the Canadian flag thingies, so I guess we'll just pick the first one. Toronto Stock Exchange. That's what TSX is. Okay, what do we got here? Well, from the way it looks like it's actually doing kind of well, actually, because it's all-time highs compared to before. It's got some pretty good history. It's far beyond the blue line, so that means it's going to pull back. And I'll read the other kind in just a second. And the RSI is starting to also get kind of high up there. It's not as high as it was before, so yeah. No, it seems to be doing pretty well because according to the 1-year performance as of today, it is 81%. Engaged in the evaluation, acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral deposits. It focuses on a super alloy materials project in southeast Nebraska for the production of niobium, scandium, and titanium. It was founded in '87. Interesting. Well, that's weird. This sounds like an American company, so. Oh, I guess the Canadian Stock Exchange must be cheaper. That's why. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, I had money to throw away. I'd probably put some into this because pretty much it doesn't matter because like freaking all the stock markets, everything's an inflated hyper bubble anyway. They're waiting for some license. I'll look for more info. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, it could be worth spending a couple $100 on it or whatever you want to thingy. Crypto.com pumping today. Yeah, did I mention that I bought Crypto.com? I don't, because I know I bought it, but I don't know if I told anyone that I did that. Yeah, let's take a look at Crypto.com. But yeah, it's I can't remember. Did I even mention it at all this week? Yeah, actually, yes. Wait, yeah, you were the one that told me that. That's right. You know, I tried running ads on that video when you told me that day. It actually got rejected because, well, I can't say, I don't want to repeat the words because it'll trigger the thing, but that's kind of the reason why I just stopped whatevering. 50 cents. So heading towards 51 cents. Yeah, I'm not surprised at all. Like this is basically Binance coin before Binance coin. So like this is literally free money. Yeah, instead of buying that stock, I mean I'm just gonna I would rather load up on this shit. I mean, in fact, if I had more money, I would just buy more of this shit. I should, but I literally have not been putting money into my bank account for like almost more than a week now. So I gotta put money in my stupid bank account. But yeah, like this is just this is the one that's gonna get away. I mean, I already bought. I mean, I said I bought $550 worth or something like that. That's how much I was able to get. So I have like 1,230 Crypto.com coins. But man, if this thing could, I mean, it's not gonna go up to $600, no, because the market cap is gonna already just be way too high. But I mean, I'm sure it can match the market capitalization of Binance Coin. So basically another 10x to go. So this would be like $5 a piece. I mean, that's still a really good return, right? 10x, all right? I mean, that means my holdings are going to go from, it's going to be worth like a little under $6,000. It's not the greatest, but hey, you know, hey, money's money, right? So, I don't know, but yeah, if you're thinking about buying that niobium stock or whatever they call themselves, you know, hopefully it works out for you to decide to go into that. No, I'm sorry. I think I'm getting a little less drowsy finally. So, all right, let's hold off on the crypto stuff. Let's just go through. Oh, well, that's just rare earth, blah blah blah. Okay. No, I mean, excuse me. I mean, usually I'm sure we get our raw materials from all over the world, but I know Australia is actually our #1 exporter to America, so. But, yeah, I mean, I'm just not really that interested to look. Well, I mean, might as well, because I don't really. Fuck. How do I click this shit? It says I could not find the page. Are you sure this thing is? I mean, this looks like a correct URL. All right. Well, I don't know. That link does not work. All right. So Bitcoin searches for this week. Like I said yesterday, yeah, it's down for this week. So it's down to 18. I mean, you can kind of see towards the end that it's dropping here. But Bitcoin is also declining. Okay. All right. Well, you can definitely tell when this it's from Tor says. I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Again, I'm just not gonna buy any more stocks. I'm so sick and tired of this stock market shit. Like I wish I could roll the clock back to like back when Joe Biden was getting sworn in as president, and then I would do like 50,000 different things. Well, the first thing I would do is immediately go buy Dogcoin right before it hyper pumps, and then I'll put all the rest of my stupid money into Pancake Swap. But no, so much. So much for that, I suppose. She looks like Ann Coulter's sister. Interesting. Alright, so the markets are doing shit today. Okay. Gold and silver. Actually, shit. Did I remember to... I don't remember. Did I remember to change the Bitcoin title and description? It's a good question. Actually, I'm curious. What do I... Because I always use Restream. I never actually use... How do I access this view in live control room? Yeah, that's it. How do I view the YouTube version of the backend here? The current stream... This is an interesting one. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. What? What are you talking about? Seriously? Well, that's BS. Alright. Okay. Alright, well, I'm getting different data on the back end compared to what's actually here, so, well, knows. Alright, well, I gotta edit that afterwards. Shit. Oh, we gotta go back to Brave. Alright, so inflation is on everyone's mind. Very well. Let's see. I know Bitcoin's been hovering around 60K. Game consoles will be harder to find for the holidays than thought. Yeah, because of inflation, so everyone's hoarding shit. Three events point to one conclusion about inflation. Yeah, inflation is literally everywhere right now. Lael Brainard is the best qualified to lead the Fed. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. So Rai and Mara, is this correct? So they continue to go down. Yeah, so inflation's probably weighing in on them a little bit, but yeah, it's also because crypto's under some pressure. All right, so bond yields went down, so that's good. Yeah, so that means there was some bond buying. Actually, how much? Dollar went down slightly. Relative strength. This couple's 8 income streams bring in over $3 million a year. It all started with side hustles. How much you need to invest per month to retire 500 grand to $1 million? That's so funny. That's so cute. Okay. Don't need to look at that. Alright, so we look at that. I mean, let me see. What do we have here? So Bitcoin's around 60K. Ethereum, don't care. Binance Coin's still good. Okay, Solana. I mean, everything looks alright. Yeah, Shiba Inu is still consolidating. Shiba's taking a long time to consolidate. We already looked at crypto.com coin. Let's see, 12.7 billion. Binance is worth 96. Alright, it's not quite 10x anymore because it's already gone up a lot. So maybe, well, but basically whatever the price of crypto.com coin has to be in order to match the market capitalization of Binance coin. It's approximately about how much I think crypto.com should be worth. Alright, VeChain. Yeah, so overall, crypto is actually almost done bottoming. I mean, I think this is actually bottoming out. So that's actually really good. Of course, Pancake Swap's taking a massive hit, which is annoying because I need to convert that stuff into cash. So hopefully when everything goes up, Pancake Swap can go back up to at least 20 bucks. Cadena's doing all right. Yeah, so this is actually looking pretty good. Let's see. Vitamin is already, holy shit. No wonder my Binance coin pool is going up. Yeah, Binance is just like going crazy, which is great. Dogline Mars is doing really good too. And then of course we're looked at crypto.com coin. Yeah, which is already at 51. It's just gonna keep going up, so that works for me. Okay, let's see. So first and foremost, let's see, where is Bitcoin at? I want to see, is it done? It should be getting pretty close to being done to consolidating. Yeah, it's already like hovering at the third blue line here. And yeah, we're getting pretty close to zero. I mean, it still has a long way to go, but it's definitely dropping, so that's good. Let's see, let's look at Shiba. Alright, the Shiba is what I care about. Alright, it's approaching that third line as well, also approaching zero. Okay, so the bottom is almost here. This pullback's almost done. I mean, again, sooner the better. Okay, Elon Musk Mars. So it's been going up, even though the RSI is going down, and it's still somewhat above the second blue line. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. That's just fantastic. I mean, I'm not being sarcastic. I'm just tired, but yeah, this is actually very good. So I like that. What other coin do I care about? Shiba. I mean, I guess I could look up Cadena, right? I actually really like this tool. I'm really glad that Greg Manarino put it out there for us. Gala is 111%, 0.65. Okay, well that's a stock. That's actually really good for a stock. But again, I'm just not interested in stocks because I make more. I already make like that kind of return in cryptocurrencies. You know, so like I just hate stocks now. I just don't want to deal with those stupid stocks. I still want to know what's happening in the stock market because it affects everything else. No, it's a crypto. Oh, that's a crypto? Alright. Because I think I might have heard of Gala then. I don't know. But let me take a look. Because maybe I have to, because I think I might have heard of that. But I thought you were referring to like a stock named Gala and not a crypto name. But yeah, this thing is still above everything. But it's actually doing really well despite all that. Wow. Alright, we'll have to see what happens with that. I said Gala. Gala Tether. Yeah, this thing went straight up. So this is doing a breakout move. Interesting. So this is probably a top 100 coin, right? No, it's not. How's it not a top 100 coin? I think it's got to be this one. Number 211. It looks like the Unity icon. I don't know. This looks like it's doing pretty well. It's got a pretty low everything. It's actually number 211, so that's a pretty good sign. Oh, wow. This could be a very good coin to buy because this is all-time new highs right now. There's like there's too much shit out there for me to buy, man. I can't buy all of this stuff. I don't have the money. Like I really am a fat kid in a candy store right now. Yeah, I can totally buy this shit off a Hotbit too. Oh, this is fantastic. Funny enough, it's actually half the price of, you know, crypto.com. If I don't know, maybe I could put like 50 bucks or 100 bucks into this. I mean, it's not even much. But yeah, I would probably actually buy this coin. I don't even know anything about it. I can just tell just by looking at this shit. What exactly is this thing? Gala Games. Oh, this is a play to earn crypto token type of thing. Blockchain games you'll actually want to play. Probably wants to change players how they're playing game, which can be taken away from the click of a button. Players, you know, the creative thinking and yeah. I wonder how they would do that. So they have NFTs, voting mechanisms. They have 1.3 million active users, 26,000 NFTs have been sold, and the most expensive NFT is 3 million. Oh, I now remember what this Gala Games was. Yeah, the co-founder of Zynga founded this shit. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Fuck me. Currently there's about 7 billion in circulation. Oh, this runs on the Binance Smart Chain. Well, this thing says Ethereum. Does Hotbit have a investment program for Gala? Because this thing's actually been around for a while, so. Let's see. What was this? Was Gala, right? No, that's crypto.com. Oh, I already skipped over it. What? I thought I opened a new window. Oh, because I was over here. Okay, let me see. Can we? No, of course not. Alright, well. I don't know. Well, I'm not selling my dog on Mars, that's for sure. But does did something happen recently where they're actually popping off? Let me turn that off. Great, thanks. Well, your plea to work harder, Eric Schiermeyer, who got burned the gas. Okay, we look forward to having with us. I don't see anything here. That is true. Bottom is going up right now. Bottom is actually growing up right now, so that probably means play to earn games. Because people kind of want to get into NFTs as well, so as a side way to get into NFTs, they'll buy like play to earn stuff like this, right? It's just like when I wanted to mine Bitcoin back all the way back in the old days, right? You know, 2013, 2011, etc. You would mine Litecoin or Dogcoin. Well, that's all that there was. You would mine those cryptocurrencies so you could sell it and buy Bitcoin, right? It's an alternative way to, you know, mine. That's exactly what's going on here. Oh, oh hell, man. All right, all right, I'm gonna put like $50. Let me see. What do I have left? Oh, I gotta sign into my thing here. Well, fuck me. Yeah, I'll probably send myself like 10 pancake swap for this. 10 pancake swap at 100. That's actually $160. That's a little much. I'll do like 8 cake. Because I really need cash. So I'll do 8 cake to myself. Now I need to open a window. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I'll have it. Alright, so I have a new window open on Chrome. So I'll remember to buy Gala games. Gala games, that's the correct symbol. Go buy that. Perfect. Alright, now I know. Alright, well thanks for that tip. Because again, I don't do stocks, I only do crypto. Alright, so we just want this stupid consolidation phase to freaking be over already. Alright, let's see. Because actually I want to get back to coding, get back to work. Also I'm getting a little hungry. Alright. Also I want to try to keep this week's remaining videos short as well. Let's see, blockchain and coin consensus. Okay. Qcoin, don't care. I don't see anything important here. Phil Spencer is an idiot. XRP, you need to reduce GST paid on crypto exchanges. Okay, whatever. Fed Governor Waller praises stablecoins as a genius innovation that makes the development of CBDCs redundant. This is actually a really good thing. I mean, it's just nice to have somebody that's not trying to kill cryptocurrency. So having a Federal Reserve governor who's at least saying nice things about crypto, especially stablecoins, yeah. Yeah, because A, you know, they could just make their own stable coin. It's not hard to copy and paste for these guys, and then just call it, you know, America coin or whatever, right? And then China coin is already doing the same thing. I mean, it's already out. Bitcoin halts losses amid criticisms. ETF rejection of cost investor. Okay, whatever. Okay. This is a really nice graphic. Holy shit. Blockchain unicorn consensus value. Oh, that was from before. Okay, so I don't actually see anything here. Oh yeah, we forgot to check in with them. Has the Federal Reserve updated their data for this yet? November 10th, Wednesday. I don't know what it is, but it seems like the Federal Reserve is deliberately withholding evidence now, because this is a week behind now. Yeah, but see, the Federal Reserve balance sheet's gone up. It's now at 8.6 trillion. I don't think he's got anything new, but let's see. Yeah, he doesn't have anything new. He's using something called the floor model. He uses 3 models: stock to flow, a floor model, and on-chain model. Probably, I don't remember how he calculates the other 2, but he has mentioned it before, but it's just like crazy amounts of whatever. Technical analysis. Alright, so this is good. Bottom line going up, dog line going up. This is going up. Well, I'm going to be buying Gala games, but I only sent like 8 pancake swap, and just convert that into whatever that is in cash. And then I'll just buy Gala games with that. And then just buy a small amount. Because, you know, again, money's pretty tight. Alright, so for the most part, you know, things are flat or whatever. This is a little freaky. She really does look like Ann Coulter's sister. You know, somewhat. Alright, but either way, so the markets are down. Things are consolidating. Inflation is whatever, right? Going out of control. And eventually, you know, we should see cryptocurrencies pop off again, because, you know, it looks like it's almost done consolidating. So hopefully we'll get some action tonight or tomorrow, ideally. But if not, we could wait until next Monday. Problem is, we're going right into Thanksgiving next week. I think that's what it is. Yeah, next week is Thanksgiving. So I mean, a lot of trading activity is going to be crap. But you know, whatever. I mean, hey, you know, it's not that much of a stretch to reach 98 grand in Bitcoin. So I'm actually going to be very curious to see, assuming that it does do that this month. I'm really curious to see what the search interest here is going to be. Because again, I'm going to have so many problems if like Bitcoin's 135K, Plan B is proven to be right, and it's the end of December, and this search interest is beyond 100 or at 100. I don't know what's going to happen, man. So... he hasn't updated his what do we do after December kind of thing. Because I've read an old reply here where Plan B, actually maybe I actually tweeted it out. Oh wait, actually let's go over here. I might have tweeted that out. Okay, no, I hit the like button on it instead. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it's this one right here. So this is September 21st. So after December, he's doing stock to flow cross asset model. Actually, I never clicked this. Oh, I did read this. I might need to read this again. Okay. In this article, I solidify the basis. Okay, I call this new model by removing time and adding other assets. So I'm going to the model. I call this new model the stock to flow cross asset model with one formula. So he's actually measuring Bitcoin against silver and gold. Now the problem is silver and gold is manipulated. So I don't know if you remember if he wrote. I don't think he mentioned anything about that here in this article. Phase transitions. Okay, I remember this part, so we don't need to do that. Right, and then here's the Bitcoin narrative thing he talked about. Chart below shows the monthly Bitcoin stock to flow and price data points used in the original model. There are 4 Quantifying these clusters can be done by minimizing the distance between monthly Bitcoin data and clusters. Okay. So financial asset is this clown, giant big clown over here. I think right now we're in the e-gold and payments phase. People are starting to think that could be a financial asset. 114 billion. Oh, we already are at number 4 then. Okay. I'm not sure how he uses this model to determine the exact price at the exact same time, since this does not take into account time. I use a regression model. Oh my god, this is just like college again with the fucking statistics. But that's how I know this shit's legit. Okay, stock to flow model formula. This was written back in 2020, by the way. Can be used to estimate the market value of the next Bitcoin phase cluster, blah, blah, blah. Market value equals 5.5 trillion. This translates into a Bitcoin price given 19 million Bitcoin in 2020 and 2024 of 288 grand. Interesting. Bitcoin price forecast is significantly higher than 55K in the original study. Please be aware that stock to flow cross asset model is a first step and has not been replicated or reviewed by others. Okay. Well, if this keeps happening that we see over here, where there's a giant spike, and the Federal Reserve is deliberately withholding data because they're supposed to update this every fucking Thursday. I think our chances are pretty good that it can go well beyond that. Oh my god. This is just so nice to look at. Yeah, there always is a new opportunity, right? Just money, money, money. Alright. Actually, I haven't looked at this chart yet. Multiple. What exactly is this? Oh, stock to flow multiple. I don't even know what this is. I mean, because like I want access to his proprietary trading models. What did green mean? Days until next halving. Oh, yeah, we don't have to worry about that. Where was I reading this article? There it is. Okay, and market value in the next phase. Okay, well this does say up to 2024. Bitcoin price of 288K. Okay, we're podcasts. Okay, well, at least he's putting stuff out there. Alright, works for me. So that's what the cross asset model is. He's actually comparing Bitcoin against gold and silver, so that's interesting. Did you see Gala coin pump 200% today? Yeah, actually someone in the D-Live chat just told me about it. Yeah, I'm actually in the process of buying it now. I just sent myself 8 pancake swap to buy the converting to Tether on Hotbit so I can go buy some Gala coin. I remember talking about Gala coin in your live stream a few weeks ago? I don't remember that at all. You might have mentioned it, but I totally don't remember. So I think you did not mention it. But yeah, it's a legit project. I already just read the description. I was like, oh yeah, I remember this project. And I just immediately bought that shit. Because actually so you probably stepped away. I actually already did the analysis on Gala coins. Today is an all-time new high. Ever. Very good sign. And it was founded by the co-founder of Zynga. I used to play their stupid Zynga Farmville and Mafia War shit back when Facebook was new in the 2000s, going into 2009, 8, and 10 and whatever. So yeah, they know, and Gala Games has been around since 2019. So yeah, they're legit. If I had more money, I would buy the shit out of that. If I had more money, I would buy the shit out of this coin, more Dog Lawnmowers, and more Gala Game coins. So I'm definitely a solid buy. Honestly, I also can say that now because I'm not running Google ads on this shit anymore. I'm going to try and see. Let me actually modify the description of this shit before I forget. Power by free stream. Let's see. Learned and bought some Gala Games crypto coins because it hit all-time new highs and is a legit project with experience, leadership from former co-founder of Zynga Games. What was the name of the guy? Because I need to make sure I get the keywords in there. What was the name of this guy? Also, it's up 114%. But I mean, I guess 200% from before. Try to get this stupid burp out, but it doesn't want to come out. It's like the most irritating thing. What's the guy's? Okay, there's no way I'm remembering or even trying to pronounce that guy's name. I'm just gonna copy and paste. Eric, whatever his name is. We got that. Okay. Markets went down on inflation fears. Inflation will persist. Consolidation looks almost over for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The next leg pump upwards should be very soon. Let's see. All right, because we gotta start Bitcoin pump today. Stock market. I'm editing the YouTube description. Stock markets down on inflation fears. Cryptocurrencies doing better. Gala Games. Okay. All right. Well, I ran out of description here. Well, at least I don't have to edit this description anymore. You see, here's the interesting thing. Like, why is the view number so much higher than the live viewers? Like, I don't understand how this YouTube stuff shit works. It like doesn't make any sense. Okay, so yeah, I wish it's always that shit. I mean, I guess I'll just leave this window open because I'm gonna buy that coin anyway. All right, so everything's looking pretty good. Again, let's see what happens. And again, Bitcoin is already pretty low, so. I mean, the RSI is actually getting very weak, so it's looking very, very good. All right, we already got our first sign. It's hitting the third blue line down here on the bottom. And the RSI is just like, you know, just dying here, so that's very good. So, all right, so Bitcoin should be popping off any day now because Doglon's doing its thing. Binamon's already been doing well, and Crypto.com. I mean, all these coins are doing very well, so all right, just gotta sit tight and wait. Okay. Yeah, and we're still way below whatever this green line shit is, so it works for me. Stock to flow multiple. Yeah, so this is actually different from stock to flow model. And then divide by 12. Okay, I don't even know what the hell this shit means. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Alright, works for me. Alright, so I'm done. How the hell is this a 39-minute video? I barely did or said anything, but I guess time really flies. Because the problem is I'm getting older, so like 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to me is like 50 years to you guys. It's like, oh my god. It's just, I guess I'm getting slower. But at least I'm getting wiser, so, you know, it works out for me. All right, so I will see you all tomorrow after the markets close. Definitely just start. I mean, if you want to just buy more crypto, I mean, now is a really good time because, I mean, it's still pretty cheap because of this pullback and the like everything's already bottoming out. So pretty soon it's going to be done bottoming out, which I'm hoping should be tonight, if not by tomorrow. So, you know, but yeah, just making dollar bills all day. So. Where it works for me. But yeah, I definitely look forward to Gala Games because I know I heard about it before, but I did not buy it because I think at the time I wasn't doing it. It was at like, yeah, look at this. It was at like, wait, what the hell? Oh, it was at 12.5 cents today. Oh yeah, that's right, because it's up a double. Yeah, because before it was worth like nothing, a fraction of a penny, and then now, holy shit, it was worth a fraction of a penny. And now it's at like 24 cents. So you already made 24x your returns. Damn. Well, that's an opportunity missed, I guess. But, oh well. I'm in Gala now. Well, at least once my pancake swap gets in. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And yeah, actually help me share this video because I would like to grow this channel and community. Because for the shit that's coming, I would like to actually have some kind of like social media presence. Because I don't know. I'm just trying to grow the channel. So I don't know. I could use because I give all this shit away for free. So I really would like to help. You know, because I don't ask for much. I don't even want you to buy anything from me. I just want you to like spread my videos around. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thanks.